Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix that annoying NBA 2K26 error code. If you've been getting kicked out of the park or your career, I got you. First, go to your PlayStation settings and head over to Network and set up internet connection. Press start on your internet, then go to Wi-Fi frequency bands. Mine was on automatic and that was causing the issue. Basically, if your 2.4 GHz signal is stronger than 5 GHz, it keeps switching and kicking you out. Just pick the one that works best for you. Next, go to Advanced Settings and change your DNS from automatic to manual. Set your primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4, then hit OK. That fixed it for me. I can't promise it works for everyone, but it should help. If it does, drop a like and subscribe. Catch you all in the next one.